Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tram and I love travel. I am currently in Dallas, Texas right now and we are loving it so far. And today I can't wait to take you with me to discover one of my favorite lounge.
I know it sounds kind of crazy, but one of the reasons we visited Dallas for the first time is the lounge. And of course, it is the CapitalOne Lounge in Dallas Fort Worth International Airport.
So I've heard a lot of good things about the lounge, about the food. It's like very, very delicious and gourmet. The view is stunning that you can actually spot airplane takeoff and landing, and also the pastry area, all of the bakeries and desserts are so delicious, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside the lounge.
From delicious food and drinks to shower room and even a gym, I can't wait to explore that lounge.
But first, we gotta leave Seattle, Washington for a couple days and heading to beautiful Dallas, Texas. We've never been there before. This is our first time. We were very, very excited to try some barbecues and stuff and look at the sunrise from Washington mountaineers. I could see all of the mountains, so beautiful and gorgeous. And if you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. And you guys, welcome to Texas. We finally landed in Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, and we're gonna go get our rental car, explore Dallas and Houston for a couple days, and we will see you guys in 4 days. Alright, we're back to the airport after exploring Dallas and Texas. Very, very cool stay. We love it so much. And now I am so excited. It's like the most exciting part of the trip is the lounge. So CapitalOne Lounge at Dallas, they normally close at 10 p.m. And I do recommend you guys to check if they're busy or not for the waiting time. And they are located in Terminal D, D22, right by gate D22. Are you ready for it? Let's go! After we were checked in, we were welcomed with beautiful design, delicious food they have. I love it when they have the little portion of food, a little bit here and there, that you can try everything instead of just order a main course. And the lounge is very spacious and beautifully decorated. It was busy, but not as busy as I expected by the time we got there. And it was like at 11:30 a.m. in the morning, and we do have to join a wait list. All you have to do is just open your CapitalOne app and look up the lounge and join waitlist from there. So what we do is I joined the waitlist by the time we got to the TSA to save some time, and it took like 10 minutes from TSA to walk and take a train to go to the gate Terminal D. And look at that. I love how they have the little thing and cover with the lid. Very, very cool. Beautiful, beautiful lounge. It's just very modern. It's not like the club lounge or anything. They have a lot of like drinks option. If you want tea, brew coffees and all that. Very spacious. The way they set up this lounge, it just make me feel like I am in the library. In each of the little dishes, it's like I'm looking for books or something. It's very, very unique. The food though is so delicious. I tried that. It's like a shrimp salad. Very yummy. And here is the bar area. The bartenders are so fast and very, very friendly. This is the drink menus. They have tons of options for you to choose from wine, from champagne, from cocktail. If you want Irish coffee, they have that too, and beers and stuff. Very, very delicious. And this is my meal. Me and my husband, we share that. And just a little bit, oh my god, the rice, the coconut chicken rice on the top, my favorite. Like, it's just so delicious. Highly recommend if you go to the lounge. Check that one out. This is my blue bonnet cocktail. very delicious. I love it. It's like 10 out of 10. And you guys, what is better than having a delicious meal with beautiful, beautiful views, stunning outside? We see a lot of airplanes taking off, taxiing, landing. It's just gorgeous. Such a beautiful day, sunny, and nothing can be better than this. Look at that. I spot this guy is taking off American Airlines. So cool. Alright, and here is the pastry section. I'm obsessed with the croissant and some of other bakeries. It's so delicious. Check that out. So just a little bit here and there. It probably will fill you up really fast, but everything is so good. I forgot to mention that CapitalOne Lounge is so thoughtful. They leave a lot of one-time use bags and stuff for you to take some pastry or some food to go if you don't have time to sit there and eat. It's just very, very cool.
They also have like canned box bottle of water for you to go also.
And this is the gym, and this is the restroom area. When I was there, the shower room was under construction, so I couldn't come in just to take a look, but I believe they have like 5 restroom stall, and a lot of people kind of like frustrated because there's a lot of people there but only 5 restrooms, so sometimes you may have to wait a little bit. And again, take a look. This is so cool. And after I walk around and give a little quick tour, I'm back to my seat, spotting some more airplanes. So gorgeous. So how do we get into the lounge? We hold the Venture X card, and with your Venture X card, you can get in for free. And I believe you can take a couple guests with you. I believe 2 guests per card holder to get into the lounge, but I think they're changing into just like a 1 guest. I'm not quite sure about that. And I believe if you don't hold the Venture X card, you still can pay to get in. And to me, even though they charge you like $50 per visit, it's worth it if you have like a long layover. If you can stay there for like 3 hours, 4 hours or something like that. You can use shower, you can have unlimited drinks and food and pastry, and you can even take some for to go. So for me, it's still a very, very good deal. It is a steal, especially when you're in the airport and you need a break, like just to relax. And after that, my husband decided to try the Irish coffee. I ordered another drinks. This one is alright. I love my first one better. The Irish coffee is pretty good, and they're so fast. And they are coming out with something new for lunch, so I decided to try that. It's kind of like a Texan sausage and rice. Pretty good. They also have a lot of options that I haven't tried because I was like so stuffed. Everything is so good, so I wanted to try everything, but I couldn't handle it. And this is me enjoying the views before taking off for the last time. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be back there, but honestly, my honest thought about the lounge is really does live up the reputation. It's really worth the hype. I've been hearing all of the good things about the lounge, and I finally decided to try it myself. And you guys, I did not disappoint. It did not disappoint me at all. So I do highly recommend, if you are traveling to Dallas, Texas, or you have a layover in Dallas, check the CapitalOne Lounge out. I think it's lived up to the hype. It's worth it, even though you don't have the Venture X. $40 to $50 is still worth per visit because you get the very, very cool experience, and the staffs there are very, very friendly. And if you guys enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.